traders, it's going to be an interesting week this week. So we have a AVA Avalanche. It's had a bit of an avalanche by the looks of things. Daily time frame. Okay, so it's traded down into this key level. It's going to be the same analysis pretty much across the board for a lot of different crypto pairs. But we'll look at this one. I'm looking for the bounce off this level pretty much. And so I've got a really specific way that I'll go about getting involved in this. So I'm looking for a buy, a counter trend buy. It's a very simple strategy. So we've got this green candle here, right? So I'm looking at on the 4-hour chart this move from this high to this low. So I'm basically just looking for the retrace. And it's fairly easy. Just go down to a lower time frame, maybe 15 or a 10-minute, and I'm just keeping an eye on this low at the moment. So what I want to see here, it's a bit noisy in the background. Sorry about that. I'm in a public, got a public, in a cafe, and it's a bit noisy. But yeah, just watch this. We've had a bit of a range here. Now a dip under. What I'm looking for is for this to break structure, bullish, right? Pretty simple strategy, guys. Okay, just watching this range. Watch out for another possible dip under here. You might see a little bit of volatility kick in. But yeah, I'm just looking for this to break structure. Now, here's the thing with this. It's really important to note that this could possibly trade further south. Okay, so just keep an eye on. One easy way to do it is just to run that through there, possibly. Or the best way to do this is to mark up this previous high here and look for that, if you like. I mean, so you've got two areas of interest. Here would be a shift in structure, So CHO chock, change of character, right? Or we see a break of market structure. Right, so it's two things to keep an eye out for. This shift is a higher risk. I mean, you could look to go long if we get a break and it pulls back. And this one here, the break of structure would be a bit safer. So we're looking for that basically now. I mean, that's not much of a target really if you enter on this, but you want to have a fairly tight stop, and that could be okay. In any case, I mean, look, you can go down to a 5-minute chart and follow it a bit closer, a bit more closer to the. Let's just go down here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I don't mind the 5-minute time frame. Right, so if you're looking to take the risk, long position, okay, it breaks structure, it comes back, retests. Just keep that pretty tight. I mean, look, that's a 2-hour target, so I'm good with that. Be careful; it's in a bearish trend. And yeah, the markets are very aggressive. But look, that's my take. If this break structure comes back and retests, the trade is on. If not, abandon the idea. But yeah, I think we should see a bit of a pullback. Okay, guys, look, that's my take on AVA. And I would really love it if you commented below. That would be awesome. Share your thoughts on this. Let me know what you think. With that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Safe trading, and see you in the next one.